So you can see here we got a universal robot that's being used for a bin picking system. And this is also a bin picking system as well, but it's a completely different type of bin picking system. This is actually picking the entire bin, and it's like a bin storage type of system versus the bin picking system with the robot, which is going to be picking individual units from the individual bins. Bin picking phase into something that's super powerful when it comes to picking parcels or picking up parts that are just skewed or just threw into a bin with no organization. This type of solution is a perfect solution for any type of bin picking where things are just kind of thrown in the car, a lot of automotive and things like that. That gives you the ability to automate a lot of things that once weren't able to be automated. So bin picking solutions, super cool and somewhat revolutionary product. They've been on the market for some time now, but in my opinion, they've just now gotten really good at being able to perform what their use case is. Also, the bin storage systems, that's super cool. Not really something we get into. It's kind of a whole other sector of the industry. We do more like general manufacturing and like food processing, things like that. Your more traditional style automation, but we do these bin picking type of systems as well.